Good evening, everyone. If you looked out your window shortly after noon today, you probably saw Charleston turning into a winter wonderland. We had a quick burst of snow move through the area, producing a nice coating of snow on the ground. Luckily, the snow didn't last too long, though. It's the perfect kind of snow, if you ask me, because we had those nice big flakes and it looked pretty, but it didn't stick on any roadways or sidewalks. And if you look out this evening, most of that snow has already since melted. As you look at satellite and radar over the last few hours, you can see those bands of snow working their way across central Illinois. Most of that activity has since come to an end. Still seeing a few areas of some flurries across our southeastern areas, southeast of Interstate 70, anywhere from about Green up down through Marshall and then down into Robinson and Newton. Seeing some of that activity, but we're all going to start to notice this activity dissipate as we go over the next few hours, because if we look off to the north, I'm seeing the back edge of that cloud cover, so those clear skies going to be making their way back into central Illinois as we get into the overnight hours. That's going to allow for a chilly night. Looking at temperatures across the two-state region, we've got quite a spread across the state. It's currently 28 up in Chicago, 45 down in Carbondale. Our warm air is out across Missouri. It's going to be making its way once we get into the weekend. Unfortunately, not really until we get to the latter half of the weekend, but tomorrow will be warmer than it was today. Looking at the temperatures locally, we're seeing quite a spread there as well. 28 up in Danville and Champaign. It's 32 here in Charleston, 31 in Paris. Effingham's our warm spot this evening, currently at 34 degrees. So looking ahead, those temperatures are going to continue to warm up. 42 tomorrow, and then we really start to notice that warming trend going into Sunday up to 59 degrees. So we're going to be over 10 degrees where we should be for this time of year, and temperatures stay pretty mild as we go into next week. We're going to see those highs remaining pretty close above 50, if not in the 50s, as we get into the middle of next week. Now, as we look at futurecast for tonight, you'll see that any of those cloud cover and snow flurries that are out there right now will be making their way to the southeast. We're going to see those skies clear out for us as we get into our day on Saturday. And our hometown highlight tonight is Vigo County, so that's where we're expecting those sunny skies to be in place along with the rest of the viewing area. Temperature is going to be a little bit cooler further off to the east, so 40 in Prairie Creek, 39 for our high in Terre Haute and Riley, and 38 in New Goshen. Winds are going to be shifting and coming out of the southwest. That's going to be giving us that warm up. And since tomorrow is the last day of February, I wanted to give you a quick update on where we stand with some climate information. We're well ahead of where we should be with precipitation. We're up to over 10.5 inches of rain. We should be at 5 inches, so we're making up an early start with precipitation, but not much of that has fallen as snow this winter. When we look at snowfall for the whole season, we're at 13.6 inches, and about half of that fell in December, right before Christmas, and our average is 15.2 inches. So we're shy on the snowfall, and we look to remain that way as we go throughout the next week. Now, as we pick Futurecast back up for Sunday, that's when things are going to start to change. We'll have plenty of sunshine for Saturday. We'll start off with sunshine on Sunday. As we get into the afternoon hours, we'll start to see that cloud cover increase. And as we get into the evening, we're going to start to notice the chance for rain pick up across the viewing area. Really, once we get past the 8 o'clock hour, that rain showers activity is going to really overspread the area. And it'll linger with us throughout Sunday night, going into the day on Monday as well. So you want to get those umbrellas back out because it's going to be another soggy start to the work week. For tonight, though, down to 20 degrees, going to be a cold night once those skies start to clear out. That's going to allow all that heat to escape. Winds out of the north-northwest at 5 to 10 miles an hour, so it's going to feel even colder than that. As we break down your day tomorrow, we're going to see those temperatures climbing up very nicely for us. It's going to be a chilly start, so if you have any activities tomorrow morning, you're going to want to bundle up because only 24 at 9 a.m., up to 34 by lunchtime. We top out at a daytime high of 42 degrees, and then we see that warmer weather really start to ramp up, finishing out the weekend. 59 degrees on Sunday. I think some of us in the viewing area will make it into the 60s, especially down around Effingham. We see that rainy pattern continuing all the way through Wednesday. We have a chance of some scattered showers. And as we get into Thursday, the sunshine returns and temperatures remaining warm, about 56.
Everett, I don't know what it is, but when I peek outside out the window and I see those big snowflakes, it just makes me happy.
I know, it makes you feel like you're in a snow globe across the area.
Yeah.
And like I mentioned, it's a good thing it all melted away because I don't mind that kind of stuff.
But at the same time, of course, leave it up to Illinois. We have snow coming on Friday, and then Sunday it's going to be summer-like temperature.
Yeah, just perfect for Illinois and perfect for February weather too.
That's it. We'll keep an eye on it.